Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Sanskriti University ERP account. So let's get started. So to log into your Sanskriti University ERP account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Sanskriti University ERP login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page where you can just tap on this first option. And after tapping on this first option, it will redirect you to this website. And now what you can do is just tap on this second one, which is student portal, and now you can log into your account. So to log into your account, you just have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you just have to tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password and then reset or recover your account password. So just create a new password for your account, and after creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. Then tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Sanskriti University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.